Tha Chang Pier is located in the heart of Bangkok's historic centre, just a short walk from the Grand Palace, the city's premier attraction. After disembarking from your boat, walk away from the river and enter the palace through the third gate. Be sure to dress modestly by covering your knees and shoulders to ensure a smooth visit. Even if you're not typically drawn to cultural sites, the Grand Palace is worth a visit because it offers a unique historical experience. Construction of the Grand Palace began in 1782, when King Rama I established it as his royal residence. The palace has expanded and evolved over the years. Your tour begins with the oldest structures, including Wat Phra Kaew, Thailand's most sacred temple, which houses the revered Emerald Buddha. From there, you'll enter the middle court where many of the buildings reflect architectural styles influenced by King Rama V's European tour in the late 19th century. In Thailand, it's a tradition for major cities to have a city pillar, and Bangkok is no exception. The city pillar shrine was constructed even before the Grand Palace. After leaving the pier, continue past the palace entrances to the end of the wall. The shrine is across the road opposite some of the oldest buildings within the palace grounds. Adjacent to the shrine, the Ministry of Defence building stands out with its impressive collection of cannons displayed on the lawn. This historic building is beautifully illuminated after dark, making it a popular spot for the numerous night tours available to tourists. Sanam Luang, the open field in front of the palace, has served various purposes over the years, including royal cremations, rice cultivation, kite flying, and ceremonial ploughing. Taking the first road left from Tha Chang Pier leads you to Wat Mahathat. Built before Bangkok became the capital, its importance was heightened by its proximity to the Grand Palace. Across from Wat Mahathat, the contemporary Maharaj complex offers restaurants with stunning river views. Right next door, the Amulet Market's labyrinthine alleys provide a distinctly traditional Thai experience. 2 cross-river ferries depart from Tha Chang Pier. Buy tickets at the building farthest from the palace. One ferry takes you to Wat Rakhang, a charming temple best visited at dusk, when the ferry is still running. It's also worth visiting during the day for its scenic view of the Grand Palace. The other ferry takes you to Wang Lang, a popular spot among locals with riverside restaurants offering reasonably priced meals. A narrow road about 20 metres inland connects Wat Rakhang with Wang Lang. For a detailed map to help you navigate the area around Tha Chang Pier, visit our website at goingtobangkok.com, where you'll also find useful videos tailored for tourists in Bangkok.